In a car, but on a plane. Rules for prepositions of place. Why do we say someone is in a car, but they are on a plane? What if they are riding a horse? Are they in or on the horse? This video will teach you 3 rules to know which preposition to use. Stay to the end to learn how to get this free PDF. Rule number 1, if you ride something by sitting, laying, or standing on the top, then use on. For example, on a horse, on a skateboard, on a bicycle. You ride each of these by either sitting or standing on the top. Let's look at some example sentences. He rode here on his motorcycle. Her teenage son is always on his skateboard. Natalie was riding on a horse when she fell. What else can you be on? Well, you can be on any type of skates, ice skates, roller skates, inline skates. You can be on a surfboard, on a jet ski, on skis or a snowboard. You can be on a ski lift, which is the thing in the picture you see. Rule number 2, if you can walk on a vehicle, then you are on it. So for example, on a plane, on a ship, on a bus. To get on all of these, you walk through a door and then you can walk around on each of them. Some example sentences. Maria is on the train to New York City. There is free Wi-Fi on the plane. I left my umbrella on the bus. Rule number 3, if you can't walk on a vehicle and have to sit, then you are in it. For example, in a car, in a boat, in a van. Each of these you have to sit in it to ride it. Some example sentences. Thomas left for the airport in a taxi. My grandfather and I used to fish in a small boat. The basketball team went to the game in a van. But some boats are small and others are big. So you're thinking, which preposition do I use? And in the picture on the left, you see a small boat. In the picture on the right, you see a large boat. For the picture on the left, you would say she is in the boat because she can't walk in that boat. The picture on the right, we would say we are on the boat because you can walk on that boat. There are stairs you can go up and down. The same rule would apply to these 2 planes. The plane on the left is big. You are on the plane. The plane on the right is small. You are in the plane. Click the link in the description for a free PDF. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.